Again, this is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young guys. This is video number 11 and it's going to be a good one. We're going to be talking about print, echo, explode, implode, and merge. Sorry about that, guys. I was trying to fix this thing that I have. This chair is not, it's just hurting my back. Anyway, let's get on. You can print the array data using the echo function. So let's just come over here. Or you can use the print R function. Remember the print R? It kind of looks like this. Like that. Oops. Daisy. And we'll talk about the function later in details. Excuse me, guys. Even though I have been using this print underscore R, we'll do more of that later on. If you want to get the first index of an array, you would use the square brackets. Remember this square. Why does it do that? I don't know. Remember, arrays are indexed. They start at 0, and then number 1, number 2, number 3, that kind of thing. So if you use array 0, it'll tell you it picks the first one. So if we did $address equals to, we're going to do the square bracket one, Apple, street. I think we use this. Then we got orange, street. Then we have $30 or $30.99. $30.99. So I need to put the semicolon. And if you wanted to echo that first one, this is how it's done. You've seen this already. So we go like this. Echo. See? If you want to do number 2, save it, echo, boom, there you go. You can use the print R function to read like the whole array for better reading. So if you did something like, let's take this out. Yeah, let's do this. Let's take this one. Let's say we're going to do the echo. Remember how we used the pre? We're going to use the pre so we can read it better. Okay. Why is it? Okay, I'm not even going to argue. Excuse me, man. Print R. You can say $address. And then you can do the echo pre. See? Gave you the whole thing. I want to talk about a few other array functions. There's a lot. So in this video, we'll hit upon some more. And then on the other video, as we go, we're going to see a lot of different types of array functions, okay? So let's, we could use the you know, like a function that I use a lot called, let's get rid of this, is underscore array. This is just to find out if that array, if that variable is an array. That's all it is. You can put it in an if statement. So you go say if is underscore array dollar address. Let's put a little space there. Excuse me. And then you want to echo, I don't know, it is an array. Then you want to do it else. Remember the if else. That's just to take the other branch if the other one is not true. This will be your false. And we could say, sorry, buddy. That's cool. You know what I mean? So let's run this, and boom. It is an array, because remember we turned it into an array. If you did this $dd, let's do 23. Let's put BD there. And it says, sorry, buddy. That's how that works. Here's another array that we call in an array, like to see if there's something in an array, right? So if I go like, let's see if we could keep this. How about we put this over here? In an array. And I want to put in, this is in, I just want to put to see if this is an array. In this array. Because you always got to put that one in there. So he's going to read this if, come on, like I'm big, small, if in an array, if this is in here, then this is good. It is an array. So it is in, and then this you can say nope. So if we say we'll do it like that. Now we're going to check if this guy is in there. We already saved it. It is. So if we put kind of something like this, comes up with nope. See how great that is? Use this a lot, and you will be using that a lot. It also has a third parameter, like for strict mode. I mean, if let's put this back, and you say, let me see, comma, and then you put it over here, and you say true. I mean, it's gonna find it because it is there. See, it is in. It's good stuff. I don't know what it is, man. Guys, I woke up feeling crappy today. Here's another array called the merge array. Remember I told you we're going to talk about the merge. And we're going to merge two. So let's add another one. I don't know, let's grab this. Put it in here, and let's call this 2. And we'll say 33 west. Let's just say 33 west. Then let's say 23 east, and let's give it some. That doesn't really matter about these numbers. Let's get rid of that kes. Just want to merge those two. Looks cleaner that way. Alright, we're going to merge that, get that out the way. Now we're going to say dollar, we're going to call it merge, like that. And then we're going to say, I want to merge these two guys, these two arrays together. Address, address 2. So we're going to merge those guys. Don't forget the semicolon. And now we're going to print them all out. Let's take this out. And let's say print. Remember, this thing helps print the arrays. And we're going to say semicolon. And we're going to say merge. $me oops erg. Let's see. Let's save it and let's run it. Okay. It's undefined. Oh. For the 3. Boom. See? It took, look, apple, orange, and then 33 west and 23 east. It merged it together. This is a function that you use to print all the information about. If you wanted to see this better, remember we saw it. We just have to add echo and the pre, which is the pre-format. And of course, semicolon, and you must close with another one if you don't want anything else to be. So you would say, there you go, oops. See? So you can see it better. Hey, before going on to other functions, I want to talk about two functions that extract data from a string, create an array, and then it takes the element of that array and converts it back. We already talked about it, the export and the import, but right now let's do the export. Export turns a string into an array. Crazy, right? But it does a good job doing this. So I'm going to keep these guys in there because I really don't care. Let's create the UR ABC. And let's say, you would think it would jump over, like if we do that, it gives you this and then jump over. It won't do it. It's just C and D. Now you want to explode it into a variable. We're going to call this array explode. So we're going to say explode. And see how you got this space here? I want you to explode it here. I want you to explode it right there. So what you do is you just add, just like that. And then you put in the name of the variable that you have this information in. Like that. Don't forget the semicolon. And if you want to print, let's say we want to for each it because it is an array. You have made an array. So you can say $, export, and then we're going to try to shove as, show the name, ARR, ARR, that's good. Semicolon because you want your block of your commands. And I'm going to print it. I'm going to print F I'm going to say letter space dollar. Remember this, the placeholder. PR dollar ARR. Semicolon space. Okay, let's see. We got this. Belongs to that one. This goes to this one. This one is the name you created. ABC. Oh yeah, sorry. You need to put that space there. There you go, ABC, because you're cutting. If this was like this, then it'll work. But oh, did not like it. Oh, because it's gonna create that. Okay, I got you. Yeah, you know what? When you do this, this will become an array. You need to put the space there because that's what you want. That's what you want. See, that's why it works. If you did this, then I want you to break it there. No change, of course. Okay. Remember that earlier we talked about this right here? This is the placeholder for a string. Now the other function, the explode function, turns that back into a string. See, this is an array now. Turns it back. So let's make this like that. I hate those things. Okay, man. So, okay, what's going on? All right, let's put a space here. Let's say we want to do another one. We're going to call it, okay, $ARR export to, I'm so sorry guys, import, implode, and of course you're going to give it the name. What was the name of it over there? What's going on here? Implode, did I spell that right? Implode. Function, semicolon, not a comma. I'm going to echo this. I'm going to say string dollar or export to. Let's break it down like this. Semicolon. Did I spell that right? Sure did. Did I did that right? $25. What's going on here? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me see what it says. Invalid passing of line 25 string. There's a string. I call this dollar equals to implode. That's what that is. Sorry, wrong one. There you go. Sorry about that. Picked the wrong one. How did I not catch that right away? See, in this one, we're exploding this because it makes sense. Then you run through it, Then this one says, oh, I want to implode from there using this, which we are printing, right? So in this implode, you're going to use the one that you used before, which happens to be this one. This is the read. This is the actual string, and then you put it in here, and you get just the space in between. You can even put, I don't know. Oh, no, you can't. Oh, yes, you can. There you go. Just like I showed you from before. Now, there you go, man. You can even count these things too. So let's do the old count. We could say count. We could use that. We're going to probably use that a lot later. You saw that before. I'm going to count this guy. Four, get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Not this one. This one will probably be more than that. Ooh, no way. Why did it do that? Let's see. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it took this one. Where are we? Oh, of course, we put it in here. That's it. It exploded, put it together, and it was 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, because you exploded it there, and that gave me the for each to print out A, B, C, and it's really 4 really. This comes later because I just put this information in. That's what that is. We're not doing that. This is the one that we're looking for. This is the one that we're going to get is 4 because you took this and this and this out by doing explode, and then you took this, and this is what you're counting, and when you really look at it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 because you took it out already in here, you know, and that's why it gave you 4. Okay. Now let's go on with the rest of the array functions that I use a lot. Just to be clear, there are lots of PHP functions, and I guarantee you will not use them. Well, we're going to be talking about it more later on, like in other videos as we go. A lot of fun arrays will pop up, and we're going to say, oh look, we're going to use this because right now I don't want to make this video huge. So right now we reached the end. If you enjoyed this video and you learned about arrays, advanced arrays, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This will help grow my channel. That way it can reach other guys, older guys, even regular young guys who want to learn PHP. Okay? So I appreciate it. Until the next time, a good night.